Welcome back to Wallet Recovery. Remember, we're here to address real wallet issues, not emotional ones. Who wants to share first? Yes.
I lost my wallet again.
Get an AirTag.
I did. Lost that too.
My wallet threw out my hip. My chiropractor says it's from sitting on it.
I haven't had a successful transaction in 3 weeks. Last week, I cut my thumb trying to get my card out. I'm afraid to even open it.
You know what you need? The shuffle wallet. Hands right out. Oops. Every card, every time, almost every time.
Steven, things have changed. Shuffle Wallet 2.0. Ooh. You lose things. Shuffle Wallet 2.0 has a built-in tracker. Connects right to your phone. iPhone, Android, doesn't matter.
So I can't lose it.
You could lose anything. But your phone will tell you where you left it. Magnetic charging, USB-C, charge it twice a year. Your wallet is too heavy. Introducing Forged Carbon, 68 grams.
Mine's pretty light.
Yours is 3 times heavier. The 2.0, less than half.
My chiropractor's gonna be so happy.
How about top-load cards? 7 cards stay in place. Push once and they fan out perfectly. That's what made the original shuffle different, and in version 2, even better. Plus, a quick draw slot for one thumb access and RFID blocking built right in.
Mine has a quick draw slots.
It does, Steven. But does yours do this?
No.
No, it doesn't, does it? And yes, the wallet only attaches to iPhone Max models. Almost forgot. Accessory module. ID, cash, 2 cards. Want to go lightweight? Leave the wallet, bring the module.
Ooh, that's nice.
Doctor, is the normal 2 ounce the new one?
Yes, Steven. It means you're ready for an upgrade. Shuffle Wallet 2.0. Available on Kickstarter.